How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the support material in Elegoo Slicer. So basically, this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your support is enabled. And here you have the support type, the support style, so you can just configure this the way you want to. Now from here, you want to scroll down and there's going to be the filaments for supports. This is basically going to be the materials. Now, if you want to apply different materials onto your supports, you just want to navigate through which support you want to edit. So let's say it's going to be the base support. Let's click on the PLA red. And for the support raft interface, let's then select something like white. So from there, you will be able to see it also on your prime tower. So if we click on the slice plate option, it will now use that material as our support right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.